Howdy, and we are back with another all-trac based video. This one, we are actually replacing this gauge cluster with the overlays and everything. As you see over there, it's got a battery gauge, which the Alltrac did not come with, and the previous people did not wire up. And yeah, it looks pretty, but the box is hanky, so it doesn't work all the time. And I decided I want to go OEM. With that, let's show you the OEM and what we're doing a comparison with. And this is what we're going to replace with. First off, this is a stock Alltrac gauge cluster. Miles per hour, kilometer, yada yada, boost gauge, it's not accurate. And what we're going to be doing here is, you just saw the other one with the overlay lit up. Next, we're going to show this one in with all the default bulbs, or well, let me sanity check. Default bulbs. So we're going to see what it looks like that way. And then we're going to see what it looks like with the LEDs that I bought, which I will show here in a second. Here are the LEDs I am using. On Amazon, they indicate they are dimmable. So that was like the main reason I got it. Had good reviews. That part number is probably fairly useless, but I will put a link in the bottom if I remember. And if anyone cares, then comment below and I will then update the description or whatever. And maybe even put a comment. So either way, let's go put this thing in and see what it looks like with the old lighting, because I don't fully remember. The mic might suck for this little part, but we're just recording small clips. I have the now default gauge cluster in place with the stock bulbs that I received from the seller. There we go. The warm, kind of sort of green glow, I think. Let's see what the adjustments like when you turn the knob, because, you know, why not? We're here. There we go. The knob's seen better days, but there we go. I still have wiring to remove from the white faces, but that's what it looks like right now. Let's see what it looks like when we put the LEDs in. And that is what the LED looks like with the little green condom. And just to properly show just a little bit, here's what the normal one looks like. Think it'll be fine, but hey, that's what this is all about. Let's guinea pig. Left side, let's see, there we go. Has LED bulbs on this side. The right side has the standard bulbs. Let's see if we can notice a difference. Oh yes, wow. And while some of you may already know, yeah, there'd be a huge difference, I just never gotten to see it. And wow, very impressive. And I do think I'm going to keep the green condoms on it because, you know, that's what color these lights were in the beginning. Anyway, let me go swap out the rest and kind of sort of get things installed. Let's give it one final look with all four and all with the little green thingies. Let's just see what it looks like and dims. Oh yeah, I like it. Let's see what it dims like. Oh yeah, I can work with that. So yeah, I'm rather content with that purchase. Everything lights up rather nice. There's a whopping 4 bulbs. So yeah, and I now have the stock boost gauge that's just about useless. To be fair, so is the oil pressure gauge, because the sensor on this one is an on-off switch. So I need to figure that out, but that's besides the point. So yeah, those bulbs, worth it. If you haven't done it, feel free to. Here's what it looks like. It'd be white if I didn't put the green covers back on. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and bye-bye.